nabanggit niya impunity and accountability. Ako sa karanasan ko po marami sa mga kababayan natin yung hindi pa masyadong nauunawaan talaga yung issue ng impunity. Okay? Dito for instance in relation to the allegations included in the articles of impeachment. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah. Sabihin natin there are three general areas of the 7 na grounds, no? Ang pinaka-importante na accusations against Vice President Sara Duterte is related to corruption. Yung paggamit niya ng confidential funds na may mga peking pangalan at hindi malinaw na ginamit ngayon para sa public purpose, at yung pagbabribe doon sa doon sa mga kapwa-officials niya, sa DepEd nagbibigay siya ng pera left and right without clarity saan ba nanggalingan, para ano bang purpose yung ganong klaseng pagbibigay ng pera. And then yung pangalawa ay yung behavior niya bilang Vice President, lalo sa President, tinitreaten niya yung buhay ng Presidente at mga taong malapit kay Presidente. Yung just overall behavior niya na parang reckless na behavior bilang Vice President. And then overall, yung tawag na, so lahat yan mga krimen, may mga krimen na kinumit, no, high crimes and misdemeanors, may bribery na nakomit. And then overall, yung tinatawag natin na betrayal of public trust. Yung she did not behave in an accountable way because the public trusted her with his position, kaya lang yun niya sinunod yung mga dapat niyang gawin as mandate of Vice President. So these are the 3 areas out of the 7 no. I think the strongest, to be honest, is the graft and corruption one and the bribery ones. Kasi clear naman. Walang hindi yan factual issue. Clear. Once we see the details, parang I cannot imagine most of the senators turning a blind eye, diba, to that. For sure, merong iba na talagang pro Duterte no matter what, diba, si Batot, si Robin Padilla, maybe Amy Marcos, but the rest, I cannot imagine na pag nakita nila na nag-invento ka ng mga pangalan, na binigyan mo ng pera ng gobyerno, how can you, diba, tolerate that, diba? Yun.
Okay. Incidentally, para din mas maunawaan po ng mga kababayan natin din. Iba kasi parang akala nila the impeachment process is a popularity contest. Diba? Parang sinasabi nila, teka, bakit yung tatanggalin yan? 32 million Pilipino ang bumoto dyan. So, ipaliwanag po natin yung konteksto na yung basic na tanong, itong impeached public official, dapat pa ba siyang manatili sa kanyang pwesto? By virtue of what allegedly she has done. No? So, can you break that down? No? Kasi yung aspect po ng impeachment process ng both political and legal, how much of it is political in reality and how much of it should be legal?
Palagi namin tinuturo yun. I'm a constitutional law professor sa UP at sa UST at ibang lugar pa. And we always teach that. Diba? Anong ibig sabihin? Ibig sabihin yan, popularity vote siya. Diba? Ang ibig sabihin yan, binigay natin sa ating mga political bodies, Congress, House of Representatives for impeachment, Senate for the trial, yung pag-execute ng isang process of accountability. Dahil process of accountability, kailangan sumunod ng mga patakaran. Diba? Due process, evidence, diba? Anong mga justifications niya sa kanyang ginawa, diba? Kailangan natin yan papakinggan lahat. So hindi yan, never yan about popularity contest. Never yan about, kahit na 80% ang magsabi na ayaw natin tanggalin si Sara Duterte dyan. If there's an evidence, the evidence is clear na dapat tatanggalin siya through impeachment trial, she should be removed, di ba? When we say political, ang ibig sabihin na we gave it to a political body. But that political body will act legally. Diba? Yung prosecutors will act as prosecutors. Yung representatives or impeachment managers. Yung senators, ang tawag natin sa kanila, hindi senators, senator judges. Diba? They are bound by the law on accountability. But they are political beings. Diba? Now, why did the Constitution give that to political bodies? Because they are the highest officials of the land and impeachable. President, Vice President, Supreme Court Justices, Ombudsman, no? Chair and members of the Constitution Commissioners. Yung first two, President and Vice President, those are the two most important positions in the country. That should be decided by a political body using legal means. The rest are independent bodies. Diba? And they're so important that we don't want them to be decided by a single judge. Diba? Dapat a collective process involving senator judges for the other positions. But the President and the Vice President, because they're the most accountable officials of the country.